One of the best parts of traveling is to experience the different cultures, and a huge part of that is cuisine. For all of our foodies, we've put together a delicious list of the top international destinations where you can find the most incredible food and fun hands-on experiences that the whole family can enjoy. Hi, I'm Christina, and I'm the owner of Showcase the World Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping families explore the world together. And sometimes it's hard to find something appealing for little ones in a new city. We made this list to help make navigating new cuisine easier and hopefully inspire a new love for trying new things. The number one destination we're going to share is Paris, because of course we had to start the list with the food capital of the world. The adorable sidewalk cafes make everything so sweet. Just picture sipping delicious pain au chocolat after a day of strolling around incredible sights. I know my 4-year-old would be crazy for some hot chocolate and croissants, while you can enjoy, hot chocolate and croissants. Known for exquisite meals and fine dining, it's a must destination for foodies. It also offers family options like pastry baking classes, cooking like French chef classes, making French macarons, chocolate walking tours, and workshops. So it's fun for the most advanced Epicurean parent, but also the most basic of children's food. I mean, croque monsieur is basically a grilled cheese, right? Another indisputable stop for foodies is Rome. The historic charm of the city makes an unforgettable trip, and after trekking through the magnificent cobblestone streets, you can enjoy an espresso while your kids enjoy gelato before tossing a coin into the Trevi Fountain. Fresh pasta to succulent fried artichokes to, more exotic oxtail stew. There's truly something for everyone. You can bring the magic of Rome home with you and into your kitchen by learning how to make things together in pizza making classes, homemade pasta classes. I've even had clients do gelato making classes, which is so fun. If you want a little bit more of a enclosed experience for your trip to Rome, highly recommend Adventures by Disney. I did a video on Adventures by Disney Italy itinerary, and so you can definitely check that out here. A really underrated food destination is Lisbon, Portugal. It's nestled next to the Atlantic Ocean, and Portuguese food culture heavily centers around seafood. One local favorite, fiota, is a unique bean-based stew with either seafood or pork. Grilled sardines is a popular option, and my husband's favorite. I don't get it, but he loves it. Another good option to get some veggies in is caldo verde. The dish originated on the northern side of the island, of the islands of the Azores, and it's made up of pureed potatoes with dark green and cabbages. There's so much to do and see in this city. There's some great family-friendly resorts. I love the Martin Hall resorts because they have a kids table in the dining room there, and so their food tours are amazing. My daughter absolutely loves the pastis de Noël, which is a little custard tart, and it's one of her absolute favorite dishes from Portugal. All right, we're going back to Italy here, and because Florence is such a gorgeous city and it's ranked as one of the top food destinations, incredible sandwiches, especially those freshly made at lunchtime. These giant sandwiches are made on crunchy flatbread and filled with types of thinly sliced meat, vegetarian options as well. The portions are huge, so 2 sandwiches is the perfect amount for a full family lunch. They also have food tours. You're able to do day trips into Tuscany to do some really fun wine tastings. There's some great olive oil tastings that you can do while your kids are tasting olive oil. Right. Yeah, you're tasting wine, they're tasting olive oil. I just got mixed up in my head a little bit for a second there. But yes, so some great options there. And then I'm gonna leave Europe for a second and recommend Buenos Aires. It's a lively city with unmatched diversity in its food culture. And the list here is meats. Argentine asado is truly another world experience. Assortments of ribs, sirloins, tenderloin, and cuts, from breaded to fried to stuffed and empanadas to simmering and stewed to packed in a sandwich. There's so many options to choose from. They also don't mess around with their desserts, known for their yummy rice pudding, dulce de leche, and sweet jam pastries. So Buenos Aires, Argentina is a wonderful food destination for families as well. Those are just 5 destinations and all foodie specific. If you're struggling with where to go with your family, I have a great guide. It's called 18 Summers. There are 18 destinations to travel as a family, and they're organized by age. So the first 4 are great for toddlers. The next 4 are great for grade schoolers all the way up and through. So all the 18 destinations. You can get that guide by clicking below. Thank you so much for joining me. Please hit the bell if you want to get more family travel content. And if you are ready to book a vacation, myself or my team would love to help you. You can find us at Showcase the World.